Kitchen gadgets often combine functionality with an element of fun and charm. In this video, we will show you kitchen gadgets worth buying. Links of all gadgets in the video are given below in the description. So let's get started. This versatile 2-in-1 colander bowl is a space-saving multitasker for your kitchen. Each set includes a colander, bowl, and lid that provide quick, all-in-one straining. The dual-layer design with integrated colander allows you to rinse foods like berries, beans, and pasta right in the main bowl, then easily drain off excess water without a separate strainer. The lid doubles as a handy chopping board, multifunctional for washing, storing, and serving fresh produce, noodles, salads, and more. It's even helpful for defrosting. The outer bowl catches defrost water to keep your counters clean. Simplify solo meal prep and reduce mess with this hands-free Baggy Rack. The set includes 6 different colored racks to keep bags open and upright. With an adjustable height from 8.75 to 3.5 inches, these racks accommodate larger plastic bags with ease for transferring food without spills. They act as a personal kitchen assistant for hands-free bag filling. The non-slip rubber bases ensure stability and prevent bags from tipping over as you transfer items mess-free. These versatile gadgets also help when portioning and freezing foods. Never let guacamole go to waste again with the Casabella Guac-Lock container. This storage solution keeps your favorite dips fresh, green, and flavorful for days. The key is the air removal design. Simply spoon your guacamole into the durable plastic container, then slide up the base. It presses out every last pocket of air that causes browning and spoilage. The snap-tight lid creates an airtight seal for maximum freshness. But the Guac-Lock isn't just for avocado dips. Use it to store up to 24 ounces of salsa, hummus, tzatziki, or any other dip or spread you want to enjoy at its peak. No more wasting half-used portions or scraping off brown layers. This manual juicer takes the hard work out of squeezing lemons, limes, and other small fruits. Unlike basic citrus reamers that rely solely on hand strength, the Fresh Force features a dual-gear mechanism that multiplies your pressing power by 20%. The durable nylon and stainless steel design does the hard work for you with just a simple squeeze. Using it couldn't be easier. Just place your halved citrus cut side down into the juicer cup and press. Watch as the efficient dual gears effortlessly release every drop of juice into the reservoir below. Perfectly sized for lemons and limes, this versatile juicer can also handle small oranges, grapefruits, and more. Wake up to the perfect handheld breakfast with the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. This all-in-one machine takes the hassle out of your morning meal. With just 4 simple steps, you can fully customize 2 delicious breakfast sandwiches at the same time in about 5 minutes flat. No more settling for greasy drive-through sandwiches. The dual sandwich makers let you prepare 2 different custom creations, one for you, one for your partner, or hangry kiddo. Or go ahead and indulge in a double portion. Using the recipe guide, you can get creative with protein-packed or low-carb options. Want a breakfast BLT or an egg white veggie delight? With a quick preheat, you're just minutes away. The affordable Presto electric griddle has earned high praise from buyers for its superior nonstick surface. The Control Master heat control ensures steady, even temperatures so you never have to worry about burning your pancakes or other foods. This extra-large 22-inch griddle provides ample cooking space to whip up enough food for the whole family at once. The removable handles make cleaning a breeze and allow for compact, cabinet-friendly storage. The textured cooking surface boasts a PFAS-free ceramic nonstick finish for enhanced nonstick performance and easier cleaning after use. The handles detach by opening the latch clips, enabling the base to fit in most standard 18-inch cabinets. The versatile Magic Bullet blender lets you chop, mix, whip, grind, and blend to your heart's content with its powerful 200-watt motor. From smoothies to hummus and everything in between, this compact blender can handle it all. Crafted with durable, high-impact plastic cups, The magic bullet effortlessly creates your favorite meals and snacks. Whip up smoothies, omelets, sauces, dips, and more with the 250-watt high-torque power base. The included recipe book is packed with quick, easy, and delicious dishes from appetizers to desserts to get you started. For smooth vegetable blends, simply add 1/2 cup of water. Make meal prep easier and cut costs with the NutriChef vacuum sealer. This efficient food preservation system keeps leftovers fresh by removing air from polyamide sealable bags that withstand temperatures up to 212-degree force. User-friendly with a fully automatic electric plug-in design, the sealer's soft-touch digital controls and LED lights provide intuitive operation. Choose the dry mode for solid foods or the moist mode for poached, simmered, or steamed dishes. While regular vacuum sealers extend freshness, the NutriChef is laboratory tested to increase food shelf life up to 5 times longer compared to plastic bags or containers. The compact Chef and VeggiChop is the perfect hand-powered food chopper for easy prep without outlets or extra space. Quickly chop large pieces of fruit, veggies, garlic, onions, herbs, and even nuts by hand with this manual chopper. Whip up guacamole, pesto, hummus, salsa, and more fresh sauces or sides in a flash. A real-time saver. Simply toss in whole ingredients or chunks, place the lid on, and pull the cord to let the blades do the hard chopping work for you, with minimal prep required. Compact yet mighty, the VeggiChop is perfect for small spaces like RVs or cars when camping or on road trips. You can find the links of all these gadgets in the description. So guys, please thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get updates about my all upcoming videos.